In this short video, we'll show you how to generate SMS subscribers using our sign-up form landing pages. To begin, click Channels and then click Landing Pages. Click Sign Up Landing Page to start creating. You'll see a preview of what your landing page looks like on the right, while on the left, you can drag in different items to customize the look and feel of your landing page. To enable SMS opt-in, click to edit the form block, and then click and drop in the SMS option. The SMS marketing opt-in field will allow your contacts the choice to opt in to receive text messages from you. You can't make this field required, but they can either check or uncheck the box when filling out your sign-up form. Make sure you choose the contact list you want contacts to be added to when they sign up for your list. When you're finished choosing what information you want to collect from your contacts, click the arrow here to finish designing your landing page. Click each section to customize any images and content on the page. Click Continue when you're finished. You'll be taken to also customize your thank you page that people will see after filling out the form. Then click Continue once more to go to the landing page settings. You can see a preview of your form here on the left, and on the right, give your form a title, brief description, and customize your landing page URL. When you're finished customizing the settings, click Continue in the upper right. A pop-up will display asking you to activate your form. After you click Activate, you can copy your landing page URL and share it anywhere you interact with your contacts. Start growing your SMS subscriber list with Constant Contact.